Hi guys! Little sister in the back. Yes. We just got out of church and now we're on the way to get some tacos at the swap meet. Because this girl needs to eat and so does Nora. Ready, Nora?
Yeah.
How many tacos are you going to eat?
2.
2?
Well, like 4.
Okay. So this is the thing. She orders either 1 taco and then you know how the mini tacos have 2 tortillas? She separates the tortillas and she makes 2 tacos out of the 1 taco that she orders. And then if she orders the 2 tacos, she does the same thing with the double tortilla. She makes 4 tacos out of the 2 tacos. So if you think about it, she's pretty smart because she's saving money. Yes. So she's pretty smart. I myself don't know how many tacos I might get. I'm probably going to get 4. And yeah.
Why you don't buy 2 tacos for you and do the same thing I do?
Because I'm fat and I need the 2 tortillas. Yes. So yeah, we're on the way. First I'm gonna stop by the bank to get some cash out because you need cash in your life. So yeah, I'm only gonna take out like 20 and that's it. People don't know how to drive, I swear. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some tacos. I'll probably get some nachos too because I've been craving nachos like bad. But for some reason, I want the nachos from the fair. Those nachos are bomb, but I still want nachos, so I'm just gonna get nachos at the swap meet as well. But yeah. So yeah, this is a vlog of the little Ruiz sisters bonding moment. Yes. My sister disappeared. She's on this side now. Apparently on the parking lot of the swap meet right now is full. So we're gonna have to find another parking lot somewhere so we could go eat some tacos. I wonder if there's something going on that's the reason why it's packed, because they're usually not that packed. Yeah. And I already feel like I'm starving. Oh, no, ahora si nos parqueamos allí en la Lowe's y cruzamos la calle. Yeah? Yeah, because I don't think there's going to be parking in the other parking lot either. But no matter what, I might get my tacos because I want tacos.
I want tacos.
We want tacos. We want tacos. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. I'm hungry. I'll probably do. I was gonna say 5. But knowing me, I'll probably not finish them. So I'll just do 4. I'm starving. I've been really, really hungry lately. Like, really hungry. I wonder why. I've been really hungry.
You can maybe get that meat.
También. I didn't eat. Well, I ate my Ensure milk. I ate that. So, okay. We're parked here. So now we're gonna have to cross the street. So we could get tacos.
I have my bag.
I don't know why she carries the bag. She doesn't even have money. Just like me. I'm broke. Also, I am done with my externship. I completed my hours. And then tomorrow, I'm a grad out. So pretty much, I'm going to be already graduated. I'm going to be graduated. And also, I'll be able to apply to like in the medical field, to work on the medical field. So hopefully I get hired like right away.
I'm dying.
Because I need a job. Yes.
I'm dying.
You're gonna die. Alright, so I'll see you guys inside. So we could go eat. Deuces. Yum. Ew. These are the tacos from here, the swap meet, and they are bomb. Right? They're bomb?
Yeah.
Un mukbang. Mukbang. ¿Para los dientes?
Ese es propósito.
¿Para guardar un aparato? So we're done eating. I am really full now. I didn't get my nachos. I'll probably get them later. What were you gonna say? This is a swap meet behind me. We're leaving right away because we're still going to go to the mall. So we're gonna leave already. So yeah.
I can do that in the side.
No, Nora. So yeah. Talk to you guys later. Back to the car. And it's really, really hot.
I'm right here.
Yeah, she's right there. It's hot. So we only came to the summit just to eat tacos. Because I've been craving tacos. And I've been wanting the tacos. So I got the tacos. And now it's hot. I already took off my sweater. I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt and it's a black one, so you can imagine how hot I am right now. I don't know what's up with this weather. Like one day it's like really, really hot, and then the next is just raining, and then it's hot again. So now we're just gonna go to the mall. She wants to go to my store. crazy thing is
She
that
bought me this.
they asked me if I could go in today, but I'm watching over her. If I wasn't watching over her, then I would, because your girl needs hours. So, yeah. So we're just gonna go walk around.
My brother's in the home.
Yeah, Miggy's at the house. Excuse me.
That's not the soda.
Where's my lip gloss? I'm not even sure if I even brought a lip gloss. Oh, found it. So yeah.
Hi, sweetie.
And I'm craving a Starbucks. I didn't get my nachos though. I'll probably get them some other time.
Well, we came back. Well, we come to the swimming again.
I could also get it at the store in Lilac.
I had 2 pants on. It's so hot.
Me too. I'm wearing my leggings under my pants too.
What?
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to drive to the mall. ¿Ya estás amarrada?
Sí.
And just walk around for a little bit and then head home.
I want to go to the bathroom.
Well, now you have to wait. So we're leaving the mall already. I did not record inside because I'm not used to recording in public just yet. But yeah, we're leaving the mall. I didn't buy anything. She bought some Takis, of course. So she also bought a little squishy from my store. It's a little turtle. So yeah. So now we're just gonna head home. So now I'm pretty much gonna end the vlog here. Say bye, Nora.
Bye.
Bye. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and happy Mother's Day to you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna post this today on Mother's Day. Today is Mother's Day, the American one, not the Mexican one. But still, it's still Mother's Day to everyone that are mamas or soon to be mommies. So happy Mother's Day. So yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I love you, and I hope you guys enjoy me being back and posting videos. So I'm gonna be posting more often, hopefully. If not normal videos, I'll just be vlogging because that's what I'm more used to now. But y'all, love you. Oh, we also got Starbucks. Yes. Love you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.